Hello guys, now we will learn to apply the seismic load on the tall building. The seismic load is applied as per IS 1893 codebook. So let us start. Go to the define menu and next go to the load patterns. Give the name as seismic. Change the load type to seismic load, and under the auto lateral load option, choose IS 1893 2016 and click on add new load. Now go to modify lateral load option. Unselect the eccentricity options. For seismic zone factor, open the IS 1893 and in the fifth page we get seismic zone map. So we are considering the building to be built in Bangalore. Bangalore falls in zone 2. So the seismic zone factor is 0.1. The seismic zone factor can be found out from the table number 2 in the IS code. Next, the site type, we have to refer the figure number 2 in the IS 1893. So according to the IS 1893, uh, the site type, let us assume the soil to be medium soil. So the site type is type 2, and importance factor can be found out from the table number 6 of the IS 1893. So the importance factor is 1, and a response reduction factor can be found from the table number 7. Um, so the response reduction factor is 3. Click on OK, then click on OK again. Now let us define the load combinations. Go to define menu and click on load combinations. Click on add default design combo. Select concrete frame design and click on OK. Now let us run the structural analysis and design on the seismic resistant building. First go to the analyze menu and click on set load cases to run. Make sure that wind load is under do not run case and click on run now. So the analysis is complete. Now let us run the design on the building. Under design, go to concrete frame design and under concrete frame design click on start design or check. Click on OK. all the concrete members have passed the design. uh, so we are done with the design. The reports are also generated. Under the reports tab, go to project report. So here is the report. Thank you. Now let us do the seismic analysis on the seismic resistant building using the response spectrum method. First of all, unlock the model. Go to the define menu. Under the functions option, go to response spectrum. Change the code to IS 1893 2002 and click on add new function. Give a name, response spectrum. Then change the seismic zone factor to 0.1 and the soil type is 2 and click on OK. Click on OK again. Go to the options menu and go to display units. Make sure that the display units of acceleration is millimeters per second square. Yeah, it is millimeters per second square. Click on OK. Then next go to the define menu again. Click on load cases. Then add a new case. Add a new case. Name it response spectrum. Then the load case type is response spectrum. Then click on add. Under the function drop down, choose response spectrum and the scale factor is uh, measured using the formula. So it comes out to be 1663.5. This is the response spectrum in x direction. Add one more in the y direction. Name it u2 and the function type is response spectrum and the scale factor is 1663.5. Then click on OK and click on OK again. Now let us run the analysis. Go to the analyze menu. Go to set load cases to run. Select a dead case and the action should be do not run case, and also the live load, the action should be do not run case. Then click on run now. analysis is complete. Now let us run the design on the building. Under design, go to concrete frame design, and under concrete frame design click on start design or check. Click on OK. So all the concrete members have passed the design. So we are done with the design. The reports are also generated. Under the reports tab, go to project report. So here is the report. Thank you. Now let us do the seismic analysis using the time history method. First go to the define menu, go to load patterns, and no, first unlock the model, then go to the define menu and go to the load patterns, go to the seismic load and click on modify lateral load. Uncheck the Y direction, and the rest of the properties are to be remained same. So click on OK. Click on OK again. Then go to the define menu again. Under the functions option, go to the time history. Choose function type. Make it from file. Then click on add new function. Name it time history. Then browse the file. The file has been added. Then do the following settings. And after doing the following settings, click on OK. Click on OK again. Then go to define and go to load cases. Delete the response spectrum load case and add time history. Change the load case type to time history and click on add. Change the load type to acceleration and function type to time history. The scale factor is calculated and it comes out to be 1663.5. And click OK. Click on OK again. Now we have to run the analysis. So go to the analyze menu and go to set load cases to run. The dead and live load cases, the action of dead and live load cases is do not run. So let's run the analysis. The analysis is complete. Let us run the design on the building. Under design, go to concrete frame design, and under concrete frame design click on start design or check. Click on OK. So all the concrete members have passed the design. So we are done with the design. The reports are also generated. Under the reports tab, go to project report. So here is the report. Thank you.